Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we want to go over the AFIScooter SE. This is a really cool scooter on the market that is a lot like a motorcycle, and it is one that definitely turns heads when you ride this. The US President of Operations, his name is Lee Wheatley, and this is his favorite scooter in the AFIScooter line. It's fun to ride. It's surprisingly more powerful than you might suspect. But before we get into going over more of the features, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of video content coming out of more AFIKIM products, AFIKIM customizations. Also, we have videos coming out from different brands that we carry. So they're all in the pipeline, so you'll be seeing them very soon. Also, we do have a catalog. So if you'd like a physical catalog mailed to your home of our top sellers, definitely you can subscribe that. So you can call us to subscribe it, or you can go online at the top of our site. There's a little section that says free catalog, and you fill out your information. Once you submit that, it takes about 10 days to get to you. So let's get into it. We'll show you some more about this awesome scooter called the SE. With this model, I like to do these kind of like ride-along videos, just showing like a first-person point of view, because I think it's the best way to really see how the product works without actually touching the product, and just seeing a real-life view of what it looks like instead of a professionally done video. A couple things about the SE I'll go over with you real quick. The handles on this, actually has a grip right here. This is the throttle, and that is how you accelerate. Now, once I let off of this, there are electromagnetic brakes that engage. There is a supplemental handbrake on this side. It's not really needed, but it's there for additional safety in case you wanted that. Also, the really just like the digital display of this is more simplistic compared to the other AFIKIM models. So it doesn't have actually doesn't have a digital display. It just has this battery display. So this is where you see your battery life. You can see it's fully charged. We have a headlight here. It has this coil suspension on the front too, which is pretty nice. It absorbs the bumps. A lot of times they're usually on the back, but on this one it's on the front. It also accelerates from the front, so the actual the power comes from this front wheel. It doesn't come from the rear. So it's a lot better at like climbing hills than a lot of the other models. It also comes standard with this large storage basket. This is huge. You put a lot of belongings in here. I don't know the exact dimensions, but I would say it's probably about 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet. 2 feet by 2 feet, or 18 inches by 18 inches. So it's a pretty big size. You put a lot of stuff in there. There is a dual seat option for this, and the dual seat is actually going to be discontinued. So if you would like a dual seat, there's about 5 left. And once they're gone, they're gone. They're not bringing them back anymore. So back to some more of the features. So obviously you have the throttle here, and the handbrake like I just went over. If you are left-handed, you can move the throttle to the side. Just call us before placing the order and we can definitely do that. It has left and right blinkers. So the blinkers show up here. This is your forward and reverse switch when you accelerate. So I have it in reverse, so now I'm going to go backwards. This button down here, this is your horn, pretty loud. And then headlight, which I went over just a moment ago. So we have hazard lights right here, which will make these lights on the fenders of the back wheel blink. And then this is your speed control, so it's just one switch. So 1 is the slower speed. Top speed is around 5 miles per hour when you fully accelerate. If you flip it up to 2, your top speed is closer to 10 miles per hour. The seat on all of these AFIKIM models are really nice. The armrests flip up, which makes it easier to get in and out of the seat. The seat also folds down flat if you needed to put it like for storage. Like if you wanted to store it somewhere, maybe you can get it up to the back of a van. If you had a ramp, you could probably do that, and then keep the seat down when you drive it up into the back of the van. So here's the lever to fold the seat down, or it actually reclines slightly. It's got a slight recline. The seat also swivels. That's another way of getting in and out of the seat easily. And in addition to that, the seat slides forwards or backwards, so you can get to a nice comfortable driving position. The battery range on the scooter is about 28 miles on a single charge. You can add some lithium battery options that are upgrades to this, and they're really nice for, they just have a longer lifespan. They are more expensive, but they have a longer lifespan, and you don't have to charge as frequently. And the battery range is much longer. There's 4 different options. If you get the top option, it is a 150-mile battery range. It's pretty incredible. And those batteries come with a 10-year warranty. Speaking of charging it, you can charge the scooter right here. That's where the charging port is. One of the great things about the AFIKIM brand is they have been around for over 40 years, almost 50 years at this point. They have an excellent warranty. They have excellent support. Their warranty does include a 3-year labor agreement, which is exclusive to Electric Wheelchairs USA. So if anything goes wrong within the first 3 years, they'll try to troubleshoot it over the phone with you, but if they cannot be fixed over the phone, they will send a technician to your home for the first 3 years. So pretty incredible. No one else offers anything like that. The only other companies that do offer a 1-year labor agreement. So AFIKIM offers 3, which is just a testament to how confident they are in the quality of their products. So we love that about AFIKIM. Our customers love that too. So one thing I'll say too, on this scooter I have the seat pushed all the way back, and it's actually kind of too far. So like being 6'4", with the seat all the way back, my back doesn't even touch the back of the seat. So I would actually scoot this forward, and that's a little more comfortable. So again, I'm 6'4". If you're taller than me, I would say 6'7", 6'8", you can still ride the scooter just fine. So these are built for, even for taller people. And I just think it's important to mention that, because that's always a concern for a lot of people. The turning radius on the scooter is really good. Super sharp turning radius. It just turns on a dime, basically. It has a lot of torque for a scooter like this, so really nice. I'll actually test one of these hills over here. There's a little hill, I think, over here, so I'm going to try to test it and see how it does. I mean, I know it's going to handle it fine, but I think it's good to probably prove that. This is like a dock for a warehouse, so I don't know what that incline is exactly, but if I were to guess, I'd say it's probably about 10 or 15 degrees. AFIKIM claims that their incline rating is, I think it's about 10, 15 degrees, but it can climb more than that. So I think they just say that to be safe. So absolutely no problem to climb that. It was like way too easy. I need like a better challenge than that. I just don't have a hill to challenge the scooter around here. By the way, if anybody watching this video, if you want to see anything particular about an AFIKIM scooter, any of them, not just the SE, maybe a certain functionality or anything that you feel has not been shown, let us know. We will make a video to show what the scooter is capable of. If you want to see something specific, leave a comment and let us know. So in conclusion, if you're looking for an awesome recreational mobility scooter that is unlike anything in the industry, that has a great warranty, great support, is made by one of the most reputable brands in the industry, the SE is a great choice, especially if you're a motorcycle enthusiast. If you have any questions about the scooter, or really any of AFIKIM's products or any of the products that we carry, give us a call. We're open every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. We have agents standing by that are very knowledgeable about our products. They can answer any question you might have. And if for some reason it's a question they can't answer, they will get that answer and call you back. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Or you can also visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. We would love to earn your business and mention this video. We'll hook you up with a deal. Thanks so much for watching.